Hi everyone, welcome to the healthy cooking class. I would be showing you how to prepare a vegetarian or a vegan pasta in just 20 minutes. You need 5 ingredients in this and your pasta would be ready in no time. Let's get started. As you see, we have 5 ingredients in this. We need any form of pasta. I am using a rigatoni pasta. You need few florets of broccoli. You need tomato puree or a pasta sauce. You need and just few slices of onions. You don't need finely chopped. You need like this big, so that you can have a good flavor and a good texture with your pasta. And you need finely chopped garlic or finely minced garlic. Next step, after you have prepped your all the ingredients, is to take a pan of water and immerse your pasta in it and put it on a high flame or medium to high flame somewhere till this gets cooked or boiled. You will start working on your pan. Heat up your pan, put little bit oil so that you can saute your garlic and onions in it and even broccoli, and just let it heat for a few minutes, and then you can maybe put it on a medium flame. The oil is really warmed up now. You can toss up your onions and even garlic also. So now your onion and garlic are getting sauteed. This is the time when you want it to lower down the flame to maybe somewhere between medium and low. It has already started browning. Till then your pasta would cook. My onion actually has become little more brown than I want. This is the right time to put your frozen broccolis and saute it. So the present condition is I am sauteing my all the vegetables at a low flame. The pan is really heated up, and in few minutes my pasta would be cooked, and then I can pour my pasta in these vegetables. This is the time when your vegetables are getting cooked. Just toss up with little pepper. This is a lemon pepper. This is not salt, so you can see how much you want for your taste. I don't put salt in my recipe, so this will be a good addition. It gives you it gives you the taste of black pepper and lemon. If you see at this moment, my pasta is cooked. It's soft now, and I can run it down under the water, actually cold water. This will help it maintain its consistency and its texture. So there is a one rule: just whenever you boil your pasta, just run it under the cold water. It helps to get remove of that starchy thing also. You don't want to take too much of starch in your diet. So this is cooked. Now I can just place it under the cold water. So I have kept it under the cold water and let it sit there for a few minutes till the pasta becomes really cold. I have immediately placed it after cooking, so there is no time lag in between. Let it flow for a few minutes till your pasta becomes cold, and when it becomes cold, toss it back into your vegetable and your garlic and your onions in the pan. Now my pasta is cold after running under the cold water, and I will just pour it on my vegetables. There would be some water inside the pasta. That's actually good. And it's time to stir all the vegetables now and with the pasta. At this moment, you can again switch on your flame to high. Let's switch it on to medium to high and let it cook for a few more minutes. My pasta is blooming now. It's amazing. It just needs the tomato gravy. Let's pour this. We can add water now. If you want, you can pour more tomato puree or pasta sauce. That depends on your taste. So whatever the paste was there on my this cup, I have put water, and now I can pour a little water over this. This helps me to save my whatever left sauce was there. Just let it cook. Let everything cook on the gas for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, till this water gets drained down. And this is a time when you can cover your pasta. This is the good time when you can cover your pasta and put the flame on high again. The time you want to see pasta is cooking just with 5 ingredients. Let it sit for 2-3 minutes more, and your pasta would be very soft to eat, and it will be delicious. Our pasta is ready now. All the gravy has been soaked up, so my pasta is ready. I'm very excited to taste it. You also enjoy at your homes. See you next time. Thank you for joining our healthy cooking class.